It's ignoring it. It's going round and round. Hello guys, today we're gonna do magnet video. Let's open it.
You need some help?
Nope. Heart. Made in China. Made in China. Made in Tuna. Come on. Why? Ah, it's wrong way.
Yes.
Wrong. One finger.
What about this one?
What is that? What's that? Bruh. Star will connect it. Oops. But it was not sticking. Oh, magnet.
Look at this one.
There's metal inside them. Why? Come on, just press it. It was standing. I make it stand up with this.
Screw.
Bruh. Oh my! It's sticking! Look! Look! Bruh. Magnets. Mغناطيس. Why?
Try to take this one also.
What's that?
With the magnet.
No way.
Why?
It's impossible. It's just plastic. No magnets.
So it will not work?
Mm-mm.
With the glass.
Bro. No, it's not. There's no metal.
Or stone.
Bro.
Try.
Nothing. Nothing.
It will not work?
Nope. First,
It will not work.
it will actually it will.
Only here.
This one here. It will work.
Because this will work only
I'm
with the
gonna-
metal.
Fine. Oh.
I didn't take anything.
You did.
What I thought?
And that. The heart triangle. How?
This will not work here.
I don't know. Why? It's plastic. It's plastic from here.
It's metal, but not all metal.
See? It's ignoring it. It's going round and round. Every time I move the magnet, it's going round until... And this here. It's it's making the line. Nice. Yeah, I know. It has metal. It has metal.
It has magnet.
What is this? What is this called? Huh?
مغناطيس.
What is it called? We call it polar or what? What do we call it? Polar?
You tell me.
I don't know. 2 minutes. No, why? Also, this is here. Come on. Stop getting everything. Stop being greedy. You laptop here. Just get off each other. Stop it, you monster. Hey.
Uh-oh.
Stop attaching to others, say people. What?
Guess.
I don't know.
1, 2.
3 what? For what?
Will
Under the...
disappear.
How?
Look at that.
I see you're taking it. Stop taking it. You're joking. It looks like a puller. Is it?
Ah, yes.
It is.
Like cartoon.
What's cartoon?
If I want to pull you, I will do like this.
It's like it, but it's for magnets.
For magnet. I will bring bigger than this one to pull you.
Bring a spoon. We're gonna play with it to see if it will stick. No.
It's not working. Why?
Let's try. Try a little. You're hitting it. It's plastic. How? How?
Because this is metal.
But it's not the metal that's sticking it. Dad, before leaving, I'm gonna do something special for you. Close your eyes.
Okay, I will close my eyes.
I see you looking. Stop looking.
Okay, I will look. Finish?
No, no, no.
Yalla, okay.
No, 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 no. Look out for 10 seconds. No! Done.
Done?
Yeah.
Wow, it's for me? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Goodbye.